So we're about to embark on another adventure. This time I'm going with my old man and my sister's family. We're going to go up to Boulder top, fish a bunch of different lakes. We were going to go backpacking in the high winters, but the weather is looking better down south, and it just figured it'd be easier than having to come up with all the packs and stuff for that many people. So we're going to go to a bunch of different lakes. Hoping to find some fish. The lakes were really shallow last year, and we had such a harsh winter that probably guessing some of the lakes we're going to go to will have, experience a winter kill. But hopefully we'll get into some fish. There's a couple lakes that usually have bass fishing, and since I'm going to be with my nieces and nephew, I want them to catch fish, so hopefully we'll get into some. But I don't know, should be a good time. We're going to go for a couple days and hopefully find some good fish. Here we go. Got the old man with us. He decided to come. Yeah. There's Tenny. Yeah. We're gonna do we're doing a bacon Swiss cheeseburgers over the coals.
They smell good.
Gonna put some Montreal steak on it, cause it's always good on beef.
Dump it out.
Doing bacon for the burgers. Oh, that does weird. That's that whenever I do that. There's not a lot of light. There's this looks like it's strobing. Bacon's working. Oh, it's gonna be good. All right. I don't know why it does this with low light. My camera looks like it's strobing, but it's not. We overcooked the bacon a little bit, but it's gonna be good. Swiss cheese, Angus beef.
Yeah, who cooked that bacon?
I don't know. It's gonna be tasty.
Dad put the bacon.
So it's really, I don't have it on strobe, but whatever reason my camera in low light looks like it's on strobe. But anyways, it's gonna be delicious. Is it not gonna be delicious, Savannah?
It's gonna be so delicious.
Oh yeah. Are you excited, buddy?
Yep.
Yep. And he said he would go fishing with me if he had what? What kind of fishing pole? A Lightning McQueen button pole. That's what he wanted.
Awesome.
So now he said he'll go fishing with me.
Good thing we had the Barbie one.
Hey, then you move.
Yeah.
It's you. Will you open it for me?
Sure.
Oh wait, I need
We'll
to
get it
see.
set up.
Go fishing with your friends?
Are we gonna catch fish, buddy?
Yeah, lots of fish in this lake today. Can you catch lots of fish today with this fishing pole?
Yeah.
Ask Kendall what kind of lure you need to use.
We're gonna put something good on there so you catch a good one.
Will you put a mouse on it so I can catch a big fish?
Yeah. That's awesome. Here's the fam. We don't have a terrible view here. The waterfall.
Take a picture. I'm all posing for your picture, Kendall.
Oh no, so. Yeah, there's less attractive views in the world for sure. Yeah, it's gorgeous country. Love it up here. Well, last year this lake had an island. It's funny, it went from the most shallow I've ever seen it to the deepest I've ever seen it. The boulders I was fishing on last year were completely underwater. You can't even see them. So far we're not seeing any signs of life. It was so shallow last year, it may have winter killed. Which they'd probably do well this year, as deep as it is, but we'll try it. You never know. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there is a ridiculous amount of fairy shrimp. Pretty confident this lake, the fish didn't survive last year when it was shallow, because we're seeing no signs of life and just the pure insane amount of fairy shrimp. There's scuds too. There's spots where the water's cloudy, there's so many fairy shrimp, so they're not getting eaten. So I'm
I don't know, maybe there's a couple monsters left somewhere, but we haven't seen any action at all. So I'm guessing there's no fish left. So, oh well. I should restock it. They'll get fat fast. Why don't I get that kind of service?
Robbits.
Is that fun, buddy?
Yeah, I hear robbits.
I heard frogs.
Yeah, but I heard robbits.
Yeah. What? Got a nice, pretty cutthroat on the lead.
Pretty.
Oh, nice. Okay, that's far enough.
We should eat it.
Oh, look how pretty he is.
We should eat it.
Good job. Let's pull him over here.
We should eat it.
Hold that up.
Hold
Oh, look how pretty he is in spawn colors. That's,
We should eat.
Do you want me to hold this? Or?
yeah, just keep him right here.
Eat him.
Yeah. Look how pretty this guy is.
We have a lunchbox we could keep him in.
He's pretty.
Penny.
Yeah, he got off on his own. Yeah, pretty. Colorado River strain are super pretty.
No.
Tenny.
Got her head. Penny.
Oh, shit.
Penny.
Do it. Oh, dude. Oh, there we go. Oh, he took it. Do it again. There we go. Another little gray and black humpy style. Dry. Tie him with foam. Because I hate putting floating on flies all the time. Nice. Haven't seen any cruising the shore in a while. He's the first guy. Get my doohickey out. He just put the hook on his own. Go away, buddy. Yeah. Colorado River strain are really pretty. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, that's big. I think that's a splake. It's either a splake or a huge brook trout. Here.
This has just been hanging out.
That one? No, that's not the same.
Well, this is the one that's been hanging out.
That's the one?
Yeah.
No, that is not the one I caught. Oh, what? That's not reeling. There we go. Where'd he go now? I can't see him.
Let's hope we get him.
Oh gosh, dang it. You gotta be kidding me. I didn't know there's splake in here. There's splake? I think it's a splake. Oh, where's my scud on when I need a scud? Oh my gosh. Thought my camera was on. It was not. Just hooked a nice brook trout. He's kind of goopy. He's old. Thought it was a splake, but he's a square tail. I don't know where they even stock brook trout in this lake. Yeah, that's a goopy one. Yep, alright. Down here. It's a big brook trout. Oh, I can get him. Come here, dude. that is an old, on his way out brook trout. Yeah. That's a big brook trout. He probably had, last year he probably had some nice mass to him. Yeah. Alright. I didn't even realize there was brook trout in here. He's lost his mass, but this is a big male brook trout. Ouch. Scoot back a little. Same one. But yeah, that's a nice male. Nice male.
Daddy,
All right,
can
let's
we
let
eat
him
him?
go.
What's that?
Can we eat him?
Nope.
Why?
That rotten old meat? No way.
Nice old male. Yeah, he's lost his mass. You can tell he was really nice. You filming this still?
Yeah.
You tested it out?
Daddy.
Go away, buddy. Nice. Due to his size, I thought it was a splake. Big old male. Got a little cutthroat. Come on, turn around, turn around. There you go. Oh, he's gonna do it. Oh, shoot. Do it. Oh, do it. Oh, shoot. He took it, didn't even know it. Just missed one. Turn off my camera on this. Okay, came cruising by. He took it before I even cast back out. That's good. Get over here. Ah, they're pretty. Still like a lot of them. Caught a couple that were the blood red from the spawn color. Get. Come here, buddy. Let you go. In a second. There you go. Swim away. Or just chill there for a second. Yep, they're pretty fish. There, buddy. There you go. Fun times on the fast sinking scud. Of course, this is Boulder, and every lake has them. And fairy shrimp. Actually, this pattern. They always people ask. It's basically a kind of a hybrid between a scud and a fairy shrimp. That's the description that Rich Ossoff gives, and that's basically, it looks more like a fairy shrimp. But it is magical. So I tied on a size 12 hook. Yeah, I probably should do a fly tying video because people keep asking me about it. But it is a magical, magical fly. If I can only picture one pattern in the backcountry, that's it. It would be this pattern, that color, hands down. Just olive gray, weighted scud. It's basically just a scud with a tail. That's all it is. So. And it works. Hey, that fish is still there. So we are running into many lakes that are just killed off. It was so shallow, all the lakes last year. We had a terrible winter. I went to 2 different lakes that I thought would be a for sure thing as far as fast fishing. One of my nieces and nephew to catch fish, and they were dead fish for both lakes, like on the bank, so they died out. Yeah. So far we're running the same here. Kind of a bummer, but oh well. We'll try one more lake after this before we take off. We want to catch fish, don't we, huh? Yeah. I don't know if the camera will pick it up because there's not a polarized lens, but there's dead fish everywhere. There's a lake that I've been fishing this lake for since the late 90s, and it's never winter killed in my knowledge. I've always caught fishing. There's dead fish everywhere. We're finding that everywhere. This is a lake that I thought for sure would not, because it's a little deeper. But I'm pretty sure it's completely killed out. Everywhere you look, you just see the decaying fish on the bottom all over the place. It's a bummer. It's a bummer. I don't know, I'll circle it. Man, it'd be cool if you survived, because I've seen so many scuds. Like, if there's any fish alive, they're having a heyday. It's like a smorgasbord buffet. Oh well. Well, our trip has come to an end. We ran into lots of dead fish. I got my sister's family to come with me, and Grandpa, he's leaving already. This will be a really short video because fishing was not awesome. We ran into dead fish everywhere except for 2 lakes. 2 lakes, all the rest had dead fish. So, and I'm going to talk to DNR again to hopefully bump up their stock schedule, because the lakes are chock full and full of fairy shrimp and scuds, so fish would balloon up quickly. But we had a good time. Some good food, lots of hiking. Did we hike a lot, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. He had 2 fish on his little Lightning McQueen pole, but we couldn't set the hook in time, huh? Yeah, it was fun. Anyways, we had a good time. Thanks for watching. Later.